Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Paulina. I am so excited that you're here. I'm just making some breakfast right now and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Morning. I woke up this morning and I was actually the hungriest person in the world, which is why I had to make myself a yogurt and granola bar before I did anything else. I just made myself coffee, made my bed, gonna sit down and start work for the day. Tonight I'm actually heading to stay overnight in a hotel for work. I have some calls today, some meetings I need to pack for this trip that I'm going on. We'll head over there soon. Also, I did my makeup a little bit differently today. I took some like darker eyeshadow and really lightly put it on here to kind of give like some definition to my eyes, and I don't know what I did, but it was like a brownish color and I think it looks so good. And then I just used regular mascara, put a little bit of blush on the bridge of my nose. I think it looks cool. All right, it's lunch. I need to head out and run an errand. During lunch, I had to drop something off at the post office, so that's where I'm heading. I'm also packing a lot of essentials into this backpack. Lip gloss that I'll need to reapply throughout the day, headphones, AirPods, probably my work laptop will go in here, chargers. I almost forgot my charger. Wow, I just remembered to pack my charger. The work trip itself was fun but hectic, and when I first got in, I could not wait to eat the sandwich. Good morning, you guys. Good morning from Lake Placid. I'm just standing outside of our balcony. My boyfriend and I decided to take a weekend getaway, head upstate to Lake Placid, which is on probably like one of the highest tips of New York, very close to Canada. And we're just here. Today's Thursday. We're here Friday for the weekend as well. And we're just gonna spend some time by the lake. I'm looking at it right now. Let me show you this view.
It's certainly a little bit cloudy today, but we are just right on the lake. This actually isn't Lake Placid. This is Mirror Lake. Lake Placid is a little bit more further that way. We're staying at this gorgeous hotel. There's like a little seating area.
This is kind of our balcony area. Our first full day was definitely a bit gloomy, but you cannot let that dampen your spirit. We went for a little walk, headed into town, and stopped by this local coffee shop. I got a bagel and a nice coffee, and then we went to the lake and ate our breakfast sandwiches. Then we stopped in at this local candle shop, and I found this candle that smells just like fall, and I know that we're just on the cusp of autumn, so I really loved it. It's like 12 o'clock right now. It's warming up for sure. I think that we're going to go for a hike. Got ready. We're gonna spend the rest of the day hiking and just exploring the area. This is my fit, just this white top from Amazon. And I think these shorts are actually from Amazon. Maybe they're from Saks Off Fifth. Sneakers, and I have my little backpack as well. Before we even went on the hike, we went to this area called Mount Van Hoevenberg. Though we went in the summer, Lake Placid is probably more known for their winter sports. Lake Placid actually had the opportunity to host not one, but 2 Winter Olympic Games, first in 1932 and then again in 1980. We got to see people practicing bobsledding, saw some family events, and even saw someone practice water ski jumping. It was pretty cool. We are going up the Olympic ski lift elevator now. Oh my god. So we just got up here, and if you look behind me, that's literally a gigantic ski jump. And then there's a smaller one over here, but this is actually crazy. The scary part about it is that you're literally just going straight down.
That's the other ski lift. I mean, ski jump. And there's a little river. Okay, we are at Whiteface Mountain. We are about to hike up this mountain that is used for skiing in the winter. All right, we made it to the top, and basically this is the downward view of the ski mountain. It's gorgeous here. There's like nobody on this mountain. Not a sight. This is the dinner look, just wearing a plain white top and blue jeans. Had so much fun hiking today, and now we're heading to dinner. Morning. I am on my little walk of the morning. So I decided to just head out and go for a little walk myself before we get ready for the day and make breakfast. It is beautiful outside. It's sunny. It's a lot nicer weather than yesterday, and I wanted to take advantage of it right away. It's also crazy because yesterday in the morning it was freezing cold because it wasn't sunny, but now that it's sunny, I am like wearing 2 long sleeve layers and it's toasty. It's warm. Breakfast. I totally forgot to film what we got for breakfast, but I got a breakfast sandwich. Our hotel was especially awesome in that we had free kayaks. Well, not free, but included in the cost of the stay of the hotel. We used these kayaks twice during our stay, and we were able to rent them for about an hour each day. Check out this view. We are heading to dinner. Good evening. Heading to breakfast. This is the fit, and I have a tank top underneath. Let's go.
All right, today was definitely a chiller day. I got a YouTube video up, we had brunch in the morning, did some kayaking, and then we went swimming in the hotel pool. Now we're heading to dinner. Pretty simple summer fit.